feeling a little intimidated right now. All these damn birds that just flew over here. They're a little too close for comfort. What are these birds called, baby?
Seagulls.
All these seagulls. So, I'm trying to figure out what they about to do. Here comes some more. Like, what the hell? Oh, shit. Oh, hell no. Well, I hope he, okay, maybe this man about to drive them away. There you go. 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 They gonna get the people. Oh, shit. Alright, those are the seagulls. They kind of creeping me out. They cute as long as they stay over there. Once they come up here, they're gonna be like freaking monsters. Okay, bye. There they go. Bye bye, little birdies. Oh, shit. Can't tell me this shit ain't scary.